In envisioning the construction, the primary goal was to craft a space seamlessly intertwined with nature, fostering relaxation, sleep, and meaningful activities within a distinctive ambience. The Zen House, nestled within an expansive farm complex, fulfills dual roles in animal husbandry and social events. Positioned amid a flourishing orchard and mature trees, it assumes the archetypal house form, standing on pillars to allow the landscape to gracefully flow beneath and through its core. The overarching concept focuses on establishing an uninterrupted connection with the surrounding panorama, realized through expansive glass walls. Elevated approximately 4 meters above the ground, the living space, resembling a bird's nest, creates a heightened sense of security and intimacy. Internally, the layout seamlessly integrates a bar connected to the bed and a fireplace, with a transitional zone featuring 2 opposing portals leading to the terrace or orchard. The lower framework and terrace structure exhibit meticulous craftsmanship, constructed from glued laminated larch timbers. The main building, framed with glued laminated spruce timbers, rests on a solid CLT panel platform, also utilized in the supportive shell of the roof structure. Looking ahead, the design allows for potential expansions such as a sauna, shower, and toilet strategically placed between supporting pillars. This visionary approach anticipates an exciting future for the architectural masterpiece, promising residents a harmonious living experience deeply rooted in their natural surroundings.